National Assembly members from all over the world. They cover the whole planet. It's a huge spiritual power.
Visiting these holy places prepare us spiritually and physically so that we can elect the Universal House of Justice.
We can see the diversity of friends coming, and then the mode of participation also very cooperative.
Es algo en lo que he estado reflexionando, cómo llevar esta experiencia a mi comunidad. Es un poco difícil, pero nosotros llevaremos ese espíritu a ellos para que la comunidad pueda encenderse, ¿verdad? Y que de esa manera ellos también logren sentir esa fragancia que nosotros sentimos en cada uno de los lugares sagrados.
Our heart is for all the people around the world, and everybody, every single soul has been present here.
It just means so much to see how many different people with their own cultural differences, they can come together under this banner of unity and in a very spiritual attitude of service. I think this process gives hope to the peoples of the world.